Ready, start. That comma, in the meantime, comma, either non-bailable warrants are issued or the litigant gets arrested and sent to judicial custody in criminal matters, and in civil matters the litigants face eviction, comma, disposition and demolition or loss of a rightful claim. Full stop. As such, comma, the applicant is constrained to seek the following reliefs from the court. Full stop. The applicant is cognizant of the fact that the directions of the Supreme Court must be obeyed at any cost. Full stop. At the same time, comma, the applicant holds an earnest belief that some relief would be given to the litigants and the lawyers alike. Full stop. If contrary to the above law, comma, at the stage of charge, comma, the High Court adopts the approach of weighing probabilities and reappreciating the material, comma, it may be certainly a time consuming exercise. Full stop. The legislative policy of expeditious final disposal of the trial is thus, comma, hampered. Full stop. Thus, comma, even while reiterating the view that there is no bar to jurisdiction of the High Court to consider a challenge against an order of framing charge in exceptional situation for correcting a patent error of lack of jurisdiction, comma, exercise of such jurisdiction has to be limited to the rarest of rare cases. Full stop. Even if a challenge to order framing charge is entertained, comma, decision of such a petition should not be delayed. Full stop. Though no mandatory time limit can be fixed, comma, normally it should not exceed 2-3 months. Full stop. If stay is granted, comma, it should not normally be unconditional or of indefinite duration. Full stop. Appropriate conditions may be imposed so that the party in whose favor stay is granted is accountable if court finally finds no merit in the matter and the other side suffers loss and injustice. Full stop. To give effect to the legislative policy and the mandate of Article 21 for speedy justice in criminal cases, comma, if stay is granted, comma, matters should be taken on day-to-day basis and concluded within 2-3 months. Full stop. Where the matter remains pending for longer period, comma, the order of stay will stand vacated on expiry of 6 months, comma, unless extension is granted by a speaking order showing extraordinary situation where continuing stay was to be preferred to the final disposal of trial by the trial court. Full stop. This timeline is being fixed in view of the fact that such trials are expected to be concluded normally in 1 to 2 years. Full stop. Within bracket emphasis supplied bracket close. In view of the above, comma, situation of proceedings remaining pending for long on account of stay needs to be remedied. Full stop. Remedy is required not only for corruption cases but for all civil and criminal cases where on account of stay, comma, civil and criminal proceedings are held up. Full stop. At times, comma, proceedings are adjourned sine die on account of stay. Full stop. Even after stay is vacated, comma, intimation is not received and proceedings are not taken up. Full stop. In an attempt to remedy this situation, comma, we consider it appropriate to direct that in all pending cases where stay against proceedings of a civil or criminal court is operating, comma, the same will come to an end on expiry of 6 months from today. Full stop.